videos are monetized. It has been a long time coming. It really has. Oh, man. I'm trying so hard not to cry. I'm trying to keep it together, but it happened. It really happened. Oh. Oh. I did it. And it is it is possible. When you actually put in the work, you can make it happen. You really can. You can make it happen. And also, even before I was able to turn on the ads, while I went live, I did receive a couple of super chats, and I just want to say thank you. Again, thank you to the people that has sent a super chat. I remember when I first saw it pop up, it never gets old. I will tell you that. It never gets old. So thank you guys. Thank everybody for the support. Ooh, okay. Oh, can I say something else? I feel I'm excited and I'm happy, and it's just been a long time coming. I don't even know what else to say. I'm excited. I'm really happy. And I'm really grateful. And I'm really thankful to everybody that has tuned in and watched a YouTube video and has subscribed to my channel and that has liked my content. And all of the support that I have gotten, thank you guys. Thank all of you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And oh God, thank you. Just thank you. Okay. Whew, it's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It is all good. And I checked my phone and somebody had sent me a $10 thanks on my last video. And I was just like, I didn't have to do that. No. Whew, okay, I'm sorry. Oh my God. I cannot right now. I can't. All right, Frill. Okay. This feels amazing. I've reached 5,205 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. I couldn't even imagine. I'm not even gonna lie. I couldn't imagine 5,000 subscribers. I could not imagine 5,000 subscribers. Me having 5,000 subscribers? Oh my goodness. I might come back with an update though, but I'm not really quite sure what kind of update to give you guys for a third video. But I know that I will come back with whatever my first YouTube paycheck is going to be, and I'll probably end the series of me getting monetized. So yes, for now, I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. Because it wouldn't be possible without the people that are watching my channel. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you. And the last thing I want to say is one of the most exciting things is seeing how much money your videos make. Now, as of December 18th, I have an estimated revenue of $85.81. And also, I guess I should put that in there. I actually have $9+ that is going to be added to this revenue because of the $9 was made when I got monetized the first time in 2015. It doesn't show here. This is just how much revenue is for December. This is not the lifetime. But you guys, nonetheless, seeing this amount really excites me. It really motivates me to keep moving forward. And I just want to let you guys know, if you're on your journey to becoming monetized, just keep going. Just keep going and really put a lot of love into your content and really just make content because you really want to make it. Don't do it for the money, because the money's not going to be fast. I mean, it depends on the kind of content you make, because it could be fast. But for me, it was a very slow process. And I love making YouTube content. So this right here, just seeing how much money I'm making on every video, really excite me, and it really motivates me to keep pushing forward. So don't give up. It's easy. I know you get discouraged. I got discouraged a lot throughout this whole process, but just keep going. You got this. I believe in you. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys for this supporting me. I appreciate all of it. Thank you guys so much. And until next time, bye guys.